Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make green chutney sandwich spread. Okay, so we are going to make two types of sandwich spread. The main ingredients is this green chutney, but the two types of, in the south they use coconut, and in the north or in Bombay they use as thickening peanuts or chana. So I'm going to blend all this together first, which is coriander, ginger, mint, garlic, jalapeno, and of course you have coconut and peanuts and the lemon juice. Let's begin. Let's put the vegetables, the leafy part first, because we don't want to put too much water into it. Okay, we want to keep it dry as much as possible. So let's put this first with some lemon juice. And let's blend that first. Okay, so now this has been blended with very little water, as you can see. Now, this is the tough part. You add all of this slowly, and once we add this, we just add a little more lemon juice and try to blend it again so that it becomes a fine pulp. Okay, so now we blended both of this. So I'm going to make the coconut chutney first. That's for our fish, and this is for the spread. So divide it into half. This is nice and spicy, so you got to be careful when you're breathing it. So that's one, and this I'm going to blend. Okay, so now we're going to make the coconut chutney. So all I do is add this coconut to it and we blend it, and that's the coconut chutney spread. Just blend it fine. Okay, so I blended. I removed my chutney with coconut. That's how thick it's going to be. Now I'm going to add the other half which I took and add peanuts to it. This is going to be the peanut spread chutney. So here we go. So add this. As you can see, the peanut will absorb all the water, and we're going to start blending it. Okay, so now we blended our green chutney into two different sandwich spread. One is with coconut, the other one was with peanuts. Remember, always add salt and sugar. Sugar offsets the spiciness of the sandwich spread. Here we are ready to make sandwiches.